Activating notifications on Wix is a straightforward process that helps you stay updated on important events related to your website. Follow these steps to enable notifications effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Visit the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard where you can manage your website settings. Step 2. Access site settings. From the dashboard, locate the site you want to manage. Click on the settings option in the left sidebar to open the settings menu for your selected site. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. In the settings menu, find and click on the notifications tab. This section allows you to customize how and when you receive notifications regarding your website activities. Step 4. Choose notification preferences. Within the notifications section, you will see various options for different types of notifications. Select the types of notifications you want to receive, such as form submissions, sales, or comments, and adjust the settings according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired notification settings, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that your preferences are applied and you will start receiving notifications as specified. By following these steps, you can easily activate and customize notifications on your Wix site. Staying informed about your website activities can help you manage your online presence more effectively.